There are many common myths about Scrum. Here are a few examples. Scrum is only for software development. While Scrum was initially developed for software development, it is now used in various industries, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and education. Scrum can be applied to any complex work that may benefit from a flexible, iterative approach to development. Scrum is a silver bullet. Scrum is not a silver bullet that can solve all problems. Instead, it is a problem-finding framework intended to help you discover the biggest impediments to delivering value early and often. It can help teams to work more effectively and deliver high-quality work, but it is not a guarantee of success. Scrum is a strict, rigid process. Scrum is not a strict, rigid process that must be followed precisely. It is a flexible framework that can be adapted to the team's and the project's needs. Scrum encourages teams to experiment and change their process based on feedback and data. Scrum means no deadlines. Scrum does not mean no deadlines. Instead, it emphasizes setting realistic goals, working towards them, and adjusting plans if necessary as more is learned. Scrum requires a full-time Scrum Master. While Scrum does require a Scrum Master, they do not necessarily need to be full-time with a single Scrum team. In some cases, a part-time Scrum Master may be sufficient, especially for smaller teams or organizations and those who are further adopting Scrum. Scrum eliminates most planning and documentation. Scrum does not eliminate the need for planning and documentation. It emphasizes the importance of planning and documentation at the right level of detail and at the right time. Scrum encourages teams to plan and document their work in a useful and relevant way without creating unnecessary overhead. The level of planning and documentation should be minimal but sufficient for the environment the Scrum team is operating within. Scrum is only for small products or projects. Scrum can be used for products or projects of any size. Various additions to Scrum exist to help in such scaled environments.